and welcome to all the new viewers to Google Doogle. Welcome to the channel. Why haven't we seen this before? Access is denied once again to the secret parts of the mountain, but welcome back and let's have a look into this. Gordons Bay gravity-fed hydroelectric scheme, a major supplier and backup station for electricity supply in the Greater Cape Town area. It's a sunny winter's day, so enjoy the greenery. Isn't that beautiful, hey? Gordons Bay was not designed for high winds, hence there's very few tall trees, except in suburbia. But what a suburbia to live in down there. Not quite suburbia, perhaps rural, but living there, the ultimate. What a view, what surroundings. Protea and Erica, and there are veld fires occasionally, which seem to have evaded these particular residents, but as we climb higher, you'll see the dam over the top, or from above, and there's one right over the mountain there as well. And that's what this access road is about. There's a tunnel from the dam through the mountain, feeding the lower reservoir for the hydroelectric scheme. I believe it was the first in Africa. There are a number of tunnels that feed through the mountain to the electric power supply station down below. The water is fed by gravity and then returned when electricity is cheaper, so as the whole cycle can begin again. I have mentioned this before in one of my other videos, because I like to do a little bit of research on this before I'll say too much. But there's the service road. It's a concrete road feeding that small reservoir at the top. But coming around, you look in the direction of the viewpoint from the top of Solari's Pass there, which you can get to if you go beyond that little tree, around the corner, up the road. There we are, coming around the corner, and that feeds onto a gravel track going down towards, as I said, the Solari's Pass lookout. Part of the reason of this channel for its creation was to give access or visual access to what is generally not publicly available. It's very sad that we can't get to these places and there's no guided tours for people that would be interested. Certainly, I feel public awareness is part of the safety campaigns that we could encourage. If there's more awareness of what's up there, there'd probably be more interest when it comes to fires. People would be volunteering to help control these places, and perhaps like they do in Hermanus, they have public participation in the control of alien vegetation there. Places like Vermont. Vermont is a suburb of Hermanus as you enter from the Cape Town side. And there we have it, closing towards Somerset West and the Helderberg Mountain there in the distance. Thanks for watching.